Hi, this is CAD/CAM Lessons channel, and in this video I will show you how to design such a part in FreeCAD. FreeCAD is a truly free 3D CAD system that can be used both for hobbyist and commercial purposes. In this system, we can prepare, for example, 3D models for 3D printing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, there is a link in the description. Now, let's move on to FreeCAD, and I will show you how to design such a part. Start a new project in the Part Design module. Here we choose to create a parametric part, and we will start by creating a sketch on the XY plane. Select Sketch Creation and select the XY plane as the sketch plane. Draw a rectangle from the center with rounded corners. Place the center of the rectangle at the origin of the coordinate system and set the dimensions of the rectangle to 100 by 100 millimeters. For the corner radius, enter 10 millimeters. Next, select the circle drawing tool and draw a circle with its center located in one of the corners of the rectangle, and draw a circle with a diameter of 10 millimeters. Draw circles in the other corners of the rectangle. Here, you do not need to specify the diameter, just draw any circles you like. Right-click to cancel the circle drawing command. Now select all 4 circles and choose the equality constraint to specify that the diameters of the circles are equal. Close the sketch, and based on this sketch, add an extrusion of 10 millimeters and click OK. Now we will create another part of the solid. Select Create a Sketch and create a sketch on the XZ plane. First, select the Create External Geometry command and create reference geometry based on this edge. Right-click to cancel this command and switch to the section view. Select the Polyline Drawing tool and draw a polyline roughly like this. Right-click to finish drawing the line segment and right-click again to cancel this command. I missed that point, so I select this point, and choose the coincident constraint. Now I select this point, select the y-axis, and choose the symmetry constraint to position these points symmetrically relative to the y-axis. Next, I select this line, press the D key, and here I enter 60 millimeters as the length of this line. Then I select this line and enter 30 millimeters as the length of this line. Now I select this point and specify the distance from the origin of the coordinate system to be 90 millimeters. We are still missing one dimension here. So we will add an angle dimension. Select these 2 lines, press the D key, and enter 45 degrees as the angle dimension. Close the sketch, and based on this sketch we will create an extrusion. Add an extrusion of 10 millimeters but symmetrically from the plane and click OK. Now we will create another sketch. Select Create a Sketch, and here we will also create a sketch on the XZ plane. Select the Create External Geometry command and create reference geometry based on this edge. Right-click and switch to the section view. We will draw a circle whose center will lie on this line. Click here and draw a circle with a diameter of 40 millimeters. A constraint was automatically applied that placed the center of the circle between these 2 points. Close the sketch and add an extrusion symmetrically from the plane of 50 millimeters. Click OK, and now we will create another sketch. Select this face, choose to create a sketch, and here we will select the Create External Geometry command to create reference geometry to the edge of the solid. Here we have the center of the circle. Select the circle drawing tool and position the center of the circle here and draw a circle with a diameter of 20 millimeters. Close the sketch and add a pocket operation. Select Through All as the type to create a through pocket. Holding the Control key, select this edge and add a fillet with a radius of 10 millimeters. Click OK, and in this way, we have created such a solid. The purpose of this video was not to design exactly such a part, but using this example, I wanted to show you several issues related to 3D modeling in FreeCAD. We will end here. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.